Yo, so meron na naman tayong panibagong game called bago tong game guys, bagong release lang to guys, called Hazard School. So mag-accept tayo, easy, won't able to change the so accept natin, accept tuloy, hanggang 10 minutes lang tayo guys so mark my words, 10 minutes of upload, so let's go. So guys, ito hindi ko pa totally nalalaro, and so sabi ko na pagka-install ko sa recorded ko na lang ilalaro. Ayun. What's our class next? Math, I hate that class. Me too, I mean it's not hard and useless. Okay, not mention that the teacher is worse in this school. There are rumors that was drinking alcohol in the classroom. Yes, but those are just rumors. It's probably a lie. Like what they say about the kid who didn't come back to school. So may hindi daw nag-aral na bata, no? They say he got in trouble with some bullies and doesn't want to return. And if that's true, this school is getting out of control. It won't be long before we get in that kind of trouble too. Hey, aren't you the guy who accused us with the teacher? What? You're not so brave anymore. So tumatawa siya guys, parang inaasar tayo, parang tinitis. Okay, ayan na. Sapakan. Aray. Ouch. Kulit nyo. Pwede natin silang ilot. Are you okay, John? Tayo si John. What was that? What did those guys want? I had nothing to do with it. I guess it was mistaken for someone else. Well, now it's late for math class because of this fight. I'm not going to class. I have going to infirmary with my whole body hurts. Sumakat na yung katawan nung Eric. Si Eric to eh. Okay, so ilot ko na muna tong mga to. Alamang may, $1. Kunin ko na muna yung ano na ito. So, pupunta daw tayo ng you can attend to class. 6:20. Uy! Late na ako. So, dito yun. Kasi dito tinuturo eh. So, dito tayo. Okay. So, class daw yun, class. Okay. So, animation ulit. That's all for today, boys. And next class, you must bring 500 solve indefinite integrals. Ano kaya yun, guys, no? I'm sick of this school. Tumakbo siya. Ay, si Eric yun And here's another one. That's 3 already this month. Anyway, see you next week. So, 500 solve daw. So, ang dami naman nun, guys. Uy. So, ikot-ikutin ko muna tong no? And, uy, ano to? May mission tayo dito, guys, Okay. Uy. Ito, diba? Ito yung tumakbo kanina, guys, diba? Yeah. Ay. Oh no. Takbo. Saan tayo pupunta? Help. Uy. Nagbabato ng bomba, aray. Uy, saan ako pupunta? Dito. May tinuturo ayun, Okay. Punta tayo dun. Okay, magpapasabog, oy. Mom, help. Ayun, may tinuturo dun, guys, Paano kaya tayo pumunta dun? Dito. Okay. Dito. Yan. Yan. Bang! Ano kayo, Sunod pa kayo, Are you okay? No, I'm not okay. They almost killed me. Nagbabato ng bomba yan. Were they following you? What did they them? Say, nabulang ako niyan. The only one problem with my friend Eric. Ay, si Eric yung may yung may problema dito. I guess they wanted revenge. Those bullies are pretty dangerous. I don't know what to have if anyone else you weren't here. But what the... So, tinatanong natin kung anong gagawin natin dito pag inatake tayo uli. So, wala daw tayong gagawin. Basta, ilot muna natin itong mga to after. Kulit nyo, Ako pa, may burrito siya. Kulit nyo. May granada. Kulit nyo. Ano to? Book club, ayoko. I figured reading is not for unfair people you won't understand. So, saan tayo pupunta? Sa baba tayo pupunta, okay. So, punta na tayo dun sa baba kasi may parang, saan na ba yung pababaan dito? I don't know. Shh. Ito. So, pupunta daw tayo uli ng class. I don't know kung ano yung gagawin natin sa class. But, uy! Uy! Pulis pala yung atake ko. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Okay guys. So. Aksidente kong nabato yung pulis. Okay. Accept. So, ito. Ano to? Meron na namang bugbugan guys. Uy, si Eric. Sa wakas, Eric. Hinabol kami kanina guys. May nanghahabol dun kanina, Eric. Tulungan mo kami. Okay. I got away from them. Those nerd guys help me. We have to do something to stop them. How about it? Uy, may lumapit oh. Give me that midget. I'm thirsty. Uy! Kulit mo ah. Teka lang. Asan na yan ah? Bang! Binato. Binato ng bomba. Eto, trap na to. Boy! Huwag mong guluhin si Eric. Aray! Huwag mong guluhin si Eric. Huwag mong guluhin si Eric. May drink dun. Ayaw mo nun, Eric. Damn it. Now we sure have the problems with that another gang. Another gang? What gang you're talking about? They're athletes gang. If we bother one, you bother them all. Oh! We are provoking a war in this school. Bumubuo ng gera dito sa school nila eh. Wars have only existed in this school. Though there are some gangs that are enemies of each other. The nerds, bullies, and athletes hate each other. Syempre. While the rich guys are the ones who control things in this school. What do they control? They control the gangs, the business, you know. But business? You involved in that all? I belong to their nerd gang. We have to settle for smaller jobs. Tama na, ang dami mong alam. Ang dami oh, see you, okay. Kunin ko yung drink ni Eric. Ito. Kaya mo na to. Inamin ko to. Sarap. Ikaw wala kang loot. Thank you. Ayan. Ito ko na lang ito ilalagay. Okay. So, pwede natin tayo ulit mo ba to? Pero wag. So, saan tayo dito? Music class naman. Okay, so guys, malapit na mag-time. Okay, tapos na. Saan tayo? So, sa baba. May sapakan ulit dun sa baba, guys. Teka lang nga, guys. Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, may nice lang ako, guys. So, sa baba may sapakan. So, saan ba yung babaan? Ay, ito. Sayang oh, magta-time na. Nag-extend ako ng 30 minutes. So, sapakan muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Okay. Oh my. Get out of here, you brats. Hey you want a sweater? Help me beat this criminal. Hit them with this stick. Oh, they won't be able to beat us. Masakit tong stick ha. Masakit to boy. Stick ba naman ipampapalo eh. Ano? What was that? Those criminals wanted to rob me. I had no choice but to defend myself with my explosive. Thanks for me, from me kid. You can keep that stick. Oh, thank you very much, a stick. Stick lang naman eh. So, kunin ko yung baseball. Ay, may stick tayo. Loot ko muna tong mga to mamaya. Ay, no. Sarap. Ikaw. Ano yun? Uy! Eraser. May boomerang pa siya, oh. Okay, so yun guys, no, napa-extend na ako ng 30 minutes. Isi-save ko muna to. Okay, save. Saan dito? Ito natin ito isi-save. Okay, so isa pa. Okay, so maraming salamat guys sa pagpanood, and hanggang sa muli, this is Mikmik saying smile and stay awesome. So, bye-bye guys. Thank you all.